this is the best climate of weather.
I was worried-
Bangalore का सबसे best है क्योंकि it has sunlight
Yeah, but
and it
still-
has weather.
Yeah.
Cool breeze. It's
Because I
beautiful.
thought कि इस बार गया वो summer Christmas होगा, but actually
No, very beautiful.
Yeah.
You have something on your nose.
yeah,
क्या हो गया?
हाँ कुछ तो था क्या बोलते हैं?
लाल कलर का है.
हाँ वो कौन कलर का था?
पिंपल आ रहे थे वो जवानी के.
जवानी फूट रही है मेरी।
जवानी फूट रही है. जवानी. But bro, oh what a beautiful day yesterday.
हाँ।
एक तो Friday also yesterday I had a very good तीन जगह हुआ. भारत में 2 बार, मिनिस्ट्री में 1 बार.
Nice.
वो होता नहीं है मोमेंट की आय हाय मैंने आज किल कर दिया. That was it. भाई इतना मजा आया. And I also recorded in ministry.
Oh.
तो अभी वैसा हो गया कि I'm just so मनीष का मैसेज देखा था तूने ग्रुप में शायद कि no मनीष added a thing कि guys I have posted it for recording. 10 मिनट का रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा and if someone wants to do.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा.
So I'm like हाँ चलो कर लेते हैं अभी क्या ही है. Like I have done that so मैंने बोला कि यार रिकॉर्डिंग कर लेते हैं. चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Yes, thank you. Ma'am, can I get some water?
Yes.
Thank you. Yes. तो so bro एक तो वायर अप पे ऑडियंस आई थी. शॉर्ट्स का शो था. रीसेट वाला शो because they do it here because sometimes their flea market is there.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Bro, क्या मजा आया मेरे को. And dude, but also you realize कि I killed so good. I had such a good set, such a good time. And then I also realized, oh, I still have a long way to go because I killed it. I was getting continuous laugh, and after me Gotham was there, and Gotham's fans came.
Oh.
So now I was like, yeah, I have to call Gotham on a very high note. And I was like, I did my best, did a joke, got an applause on that joke. And then I'm like, thank you very much, guys. Give it up for Gotham. Bro, then they howled for Gotham, and I'm like, that overcame my applause.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, this is where you have to reach. Yeah. And it was so sweet, and Gotham was also really sweet, dude. And all the comedy shots, guys, everyone, all 4 of them, 5 of them are too sweet for me. Shamik, I'm not in that close with because I met him very rarely, but other 4, Gotham, they have a very good friendly brotherhood, banter with me and all. So they were very sweet. तो मजा आता है करने में. और उसके बाद ministry. Thank you. I did the background music का joke.
Oh, nice.
With Manish played it and पीछे से audience reference.
बढ़िया.
So great day.
Nice.
Hopefully I'll see the recording of ministry and try to get some improvements on it.
Yeah. My week was so busy because I watched so many things. कहाँ से शुरू करें? So let's start off with something that I watched on OTT on Jio Cinema. It's called DC Creature Commandos.
Oh!
The first 3 episodes, bro.
Ooh.
Pure James Gunn fun.
Yes.
Like,
I've
first of all, this is a setup to Suicide Squad.
Suicide
right?
Squad, yes.
So the way the whole
No, not Suicide. The Suicide Squad.
No, Suicide Squad. No, as in comic universe, it's set up to the
Suicide Squad.
So beautifully done, bro. I watched 3 episodes and I'm waiting for the yard or the because it was so good. Like James Gunn should have been in DC much long back.
So I think that time, this is also James Gunn was didn't have much credentials earlier.
Yeah.
Now he has a big credentials with his work with Guardians and other movies and Peacemaker.
Yes.
But let's see what happens because James Gunn has told that a lot of actors will be retained.
Yes.
Like there are also talk of retaining Jason Momoa as Aquaman
Oh.
and Ezra Miller as a Flash.
But with all the controversies, I don't.
I don't think so. Ezra Miller will be there with the controversy thing, but Aquaman they can. Also depends, dude. Jason Momoa is not a very good, very dedicated actor. I think he was saying in one interview, I hated shooting for Aquaman because I have to be fit.
And also, he had to be with Amber Heard.
That is a different. She was not there. That green screen में करते हैं इसको.
Imagine.
Bro, Amber Heard. Yeah, go ahead.
There was a shot now. Amber Heard is sitting on the throne. मेरे दिमाग में आया यहाँ पे भी हड्डी तो.
I have not seen Aquaman 2.
I have seen both, unfortunately.
Bro, when
Second was
Amber Heard's controversy was going, Aquaman people didn't want to cast her.
Ah,
But it is so problematic that she had a contract of 4 movies now. She has to be there in all 4. I don't think so, dude. I don't know what it is gonna be, but I think Amber Heard will come in other movies also.
yeah. So yeah, but Creature Commandos, dude, what a beautiful series. This is pure comic book thing, and that's the good thing with James Gunn. You know, he is a comic book fan, and you need people like that to make comic books.
One thing is that's what I was learning about. You know, when it comes to comic books, there should be a person who has read at least one comic.
Yeah.
About this.
Yeah.
And James Gunn says that he loves comic books. That's why he was like, when he made Guardians of the Galaxy,
Yeah.
his thing was that I want to either make Suicide Squad or Guardians of the Galaxy. And when he made both, he was like, oh yeah, he knows what he's doing because that's very comic book thing.
And he makes everyone read comic books. So the actress who played Gamora, she was saying
Zoe
Zoe
Zeldan or something.
Zoe Saldana.
Zoe Saldana.
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
So she was saying that she never read comic book before. But during the shoot of Guardians, she read comic books.
Yeah, well, I like it, dude. Even when you talk about Creature Commander, the whole storyline, it's very aligned. It's very
Yeah.
very well adapted situation. Like,
And cast is so perfect.
cast is very good.
Sean Gunn is again Whistle.
Sean Gunn to always will be there, and it's a very beautiful thing.
And he has a beautiful comedy timing. So I love it.
They're very funny, dude.
Yeah.
Both brothers are very funny, and they're like achieved it a lot.
Imagine Weasel's lines are just and that's what Sean Gunn is doing.
That's so
that.
good. That's so funny,
Yeah.
dude. Oh fuck. But DC thing is like now they are just moving it.
The cast has added to this.
Yep.
Oh fuck, dude.
Yep.
That is a great actor. He's a great.
Very good act. Very good.
Yeah.
Um,
Have you seen that series called Resident Evil? Alan Tudyk ka hai.
Oh.
Watch it. I think it's on Geo or Hotstar.
You have to speak loudly. Noise बहुत आता है.
Oh yeah. So I think it's on Geo or Hotstar. It's called Resident Evil. So the concept is basically an alien comes to Earth and his spaceship gets destroyed. And then he survives among human beings. And that survival instinct kicks in. So how does he deal with everything? Here's the whole story.
Basically PK.
But it starts with a murder.
Oh. PK starts with a robbery
Yeah.
of a naked man.
Oh yeah.
Hilarious.
Honestly, that time when I saw PK, I was like, oh wow, what a movie. Now I don't like it.
No, I think I like the movie,
हाँ.
but it's not like oh मैं हर दिन बैठ के देखेगा movie
हाँ.
type.
One time watch ही है, I feel.
हाँ, but बहुत वैसा है ना कि that movie is like that कि अरे हाँ हो गया ना message. PK now you feel when you watch it for the first time you don't realize, but when you see it multiple times you realize, अच्छा why are you hammering the same message again?
Yeah. It's too much preaching.
Yeah.
And preaching on irrespective of religion, I feel बहुत ही बेकार है.
You know which movie I feel of Rajkumar Hirani that
हाँ.
you can watch. Okay, obviously Munna Bhai तो है ही.
हाँ.
But all these things now, we were talking about like good messaging, but you can watch it multiple times is also oh my god.
That's Hirani. That's not Hirani.
That's not Hirani. I'm just saying as a movie.
Oh, अच्छा.
Hirani तो I will say Munna Bhai bro.
Munna Bhai, yeah. Only Munna Bhai is
Munna Bhai. Munna Bhai 1, Munna Bhai 2 also was good.
Yeah.
That was one movie which had a great sequel.
Exactly. And
Which
Robin
didn't have a bad sequel. And I liked it a lot. Ki, "Arey, what a sequel this is."
गांधी को देखो उन्होंने बनाया and it's so funny.
Taking that satirical option.
Yes.
Like, oh wow, dude, this guy hallucinates.
Yeah.
And the whole emotional spectrum. Oh yeah, fucking amazing, bro. What a movie.
So yeah, I watched that, and yesterday I watched this movie called Lord of the Rings: War of Rohan. It released other theaters.
Okay.
It's animated first of all.
Oh,
and
nice.
it went to the old school animation. That's a little bit choppy. And
Yeah. Got it. The 12 frame.
yeah.
12 frame per second. Wala.
Yes, it was so beautiful. So the story takes place 200 years before Bilbo got the ring. So it has the introduction of Saruman,
Oh.
introduction of Gandalf, and how Helm's Deep came to be. Everything, the Riders of Rohan, everything is introduced here. And I was like, oh fuck, this is a movie for the fans. It was
Oh, nah.
beautiful.
I'll watch it.
You have to watch it in the theaters, sir.
I
Because
will watch it.
unfortunately, I had to watch it in at the Playhouse because
It's an animated. So.
PVR thinks all the animated movies are for kids.
Kids.
Okay. It
Wow.
starts with the visceral thing, and I'm like, hey, why are you putting it in the kids theater?
Bro, it is so stupid. You remember this one thing? I think Lord of the Rings though one of my favorite
Yeah.
things and to watch. But बहुत मजा आता है यार Lord of the Rings देखने में.
And it's a Japanese crew who made it.
Oh, nice.
So you have that proper animation. I loved it.
Nice,
मतलब,
dude.
and Howard Shore का Lord of the Rings theme बजाता है.
हाँ.
I'm like, yes!
Goosebumps.
I was getting orgasm sitting in the theater. I'm like, bhai, this is... Oh, man.
Never had.
Yeah.
No,
So,
but it's so funny. It's so fan nerd thing right now that what we are talking, we understand because we love this.
yeah.
If a random person is sitting here and we are talking about this, we're like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah. Animated movie देखते तुमको orgasm आता है? Gee.
Like, what pedophilic behavior is this?
Oh, by the way, कल मैं ये नातिक के साथ वो
Pedophilia से कार्तिक आया तेरे को?
नातिक बे
अच्छा नातिक? हाँ,
तो
क्या
हम
हुआ?
लोग वो कर रहे थे ना improv कर रहे थे. So me and another person in the class, we got a scene. A porn star and her manager is inside a girls' washroom.
Okay.
So we had to build a scene on that. That idea I called porn star. And the other guy doing a manager. Bro, it took the scene everywhere. They were laughing. मतलब bro, क्या तेरे दिमाग में क्या चलता है भाई? ऐसे क्या 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 बोला तू? But बहुत funny था.
अरे मजा आता है bro ऐसा अगर होता है तो. It's too fun.
Yeah,
Bro.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है. आज भी है.
आज भी
11 बजे से ही है.
हाँ, nice. All the best. मैं और आयुष तो शूट करेंगे उसके बाद घर जाऊंगा.
कहाँ पे कर रहे हो?
प्रॉब्ली यहीं पे उसको कुछ कार से शूट करना है और फिर यहीं पे कुछ शूट करना है. तो देखते हैं what we can do. But telling about my week, dude.
Yes.
Bhai, it has been a emotional roller coaster
Right?
for me because I don't know what happened to me. I thought let's watch Love Actually
Eesh.
because I had this one thing ki, oh, it was a Christmas movie, right? And the first time I watched it was on a Christmas day. So I was like, oh, this is a fun movie. Why did you watch Love Actually? अरे मेरे को ऐसे ही दिमाग में आया कि Love Actually देखते हैं. And now when I see the whole movie as a very adult and a perspective of, oh, how is this movie? Dude, it's not a bad movie, I would say.
Really?
Yeah. When it comes to like a screenplay writing, it's a very good screenplay.
I thought it was terrible.
That is there. It's a very
It's
romantic. If you don't like rom-coms, it's very bad.
No, even screenplay wise, I feel there are so many plot holes.
हाँ,
here.
plot holes तो भाई
I
100%.
felt the screenplay was shit. Bro, I think this is the only movie where I didn't like Alan Rickman.
Alan Rickman, I will give you one more. I don't remember exact, but I'll share you that movie name.
I think this is the only movie as far as I remember.
So, my
I
whole-
hated Alan.
Yeah, so my whole thing was okay. I got Love Actually, and I went in the whole rom-com division this week.
Funniest thing about Love Actually, Anshul हर ऑफिस में सबको सेक्सी करना है.
हाँ.
What the fuck, dude? Second
Posh तभी तक रिलीज नहीं हुआ था ना.
Yeah, exactly. This is pre-posh.
Pre-posh era.
PCE.
Yeah. So basically, that was so annoying. So I saw Love Actually, and I went into this key. Oh, I'll watch rom-coms this week. Wow. And the 2-3 rom-coms
हाँ.
majorly I watched.
हाँ.
एक तो Love Actually हो गया.
हाँ.
After that, I watched Kate Hudson and Matthew McConaughey's How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days.
Right.
I'm like, oh, this is a very
That is a
fun movie to watch. And dude, I tell you not, it's so abruptly ends.
Oh yeah.
It's like, 1 second, you didn't conclude the movie. What is this? And then I realized, acha, it's like, but the performances of both of them is like, but one movie, dude, which till date I believe is the most romantic movie. Fuck anyone who says anything about this. Is 50 First Dates.
Obviously.
And I just went on this, bro, on IMDb, the rating is so low of that.
Because अरे ये है ना
Adam Sandler.
That's right.
I'm like, bro, तुम लोग देखे वो movie? क्या बाप movie है?
बहुत ही बढ़िया movie है. I still love it.
Bro, the way screenplay and the way they conclude the whole story.
Yeah.
You know, day before yesterday, me and Karthik were talking about this. You know, what actually is women want, or what is like, should you do in a relationship to have that blossomed relationship? And we were discussing, bro, it's the smallest thing you can do.
Yeah.
It's a zero, it's the effort.
Yeah. Imagine you are wooing a girl over and over again.
And imagine the last thing is the most stupidest thing. It's not even stupid, the most romantic but very simple thing.
Yeah.
Where he records every moment. Tell her to play it so that she remembers the whole life and she can come and live with her family again.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, this is so romantic. I was like, and this is what it is, dude. I'm like, oh wow, this movie is pure romantic movie. It has nothing skip on that.
You know, one rom-com from Bollywood that I love is Happy Ending.
I have not seen that movie. Actually, I want to see that movie.
It has fun rom-com.
Paji, तुसी सच्चा pussy cat.
मुझे
सिर्फ ये गाना याद है उसमें से.
उसका एल्बम भी बहुत स्ट्रांग है.
नच्चो सारे जी फाड़ के. Bro, उसमें गोविंदा है ना?
हाँ.
I will watch that movie. I will watch that movie. Because मेरे को वो मूवी देखनी थी बहुत दिनों से. But that movie is there. मेरे को बॉलीवुड में if you ask me which is your favorite rom-com, oh, that's that. I would say Salaam Namaste.
Salaam Namaste is also really fun. Yes. Exactly.
Like, तुम बाथरूम में दूध क्यों पीते हो? मुझसे प्रेशर नहीं आता. भाई, Saf used to kill it, dude. Nice. But other than that, I went on this whole and you know, yesterday I was telling Krishna, bro, I haven't bombed from last 1 week.
Good.
And it feels so wrong sometimes. How is everything going right?
अच्छा है ना?
अबे अच्छा है, लेकिन वो तेरे को होता नहीं है एंजाइटी की.
अच्छा.
सब कैसे करेक्ट जा रहा है?
देखना, फिर एक दिन अचानक हो जाएगा. तो
हाँ, वो एक दिन मेरे को पता है कि ऐसा बॉम्ब होगा, फिर बट एटलीस्ट वो एक फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है ना, इट कीप्स यू सेन कि हाँ चल ग्राउंडेड है रियलिटी. बट भाई तू हर दिन किल करके आ रहा है, हर दिन खुश है, ये क्या है?
नहीं तो को ग्राउंडेड आई थिंक करना पड़ता है.
सो आई वाज लाइक हाँ वो तो होगा, आई नो होगा, बट वो एक हमको डिसबिलीव हो जाता है हमको कि ऐसे कर. हाउ इज एवरीथिंग हैपनिंग राइट? बट I got very emotional yesterday night. I don't cry. Everyone knows that's a thing. But I got very emotional because I was watching this particular reel of the Shazam actor. What's his name?
I got it.
Yeah. So he was talking about Forrest Gump. And that carried on today morning also. I wanted to talk about that very on this. He says Forrest Gump, there is a scene at the end when he goes and meets
the son.
No, the son, exactly. First time when he meets the girl, and then Gump asks, she asks, "Oh, you have a son? What's his name?" Like, Forrest. Oh, you named him after me? Yeah, I named him after his father. And he takes a second
Yeah.
and he realized, oh, it's my son. And the next line is so fucking painful.
What
Is he like me?
Oh, yeah.
And I'm like, oh. And then now when I saw the reel, I just went back and saw Foreign Government that line. And then you realize, oh fuck, this is the pain. What every man carries in his soul. Every man. Like, I realized, okay, my father, because he lost his father at a very young age, he had very lack of confidence in his life. Yeah, because you are 8-9 years old, you don't have a father as a backing, you have to listen to other people. Now you have like this, you know, humbleness also, and that introvertness also ki yaar mujhe sabki izzat karni hai, I have to be like this. And my father tells me, okay, be stronger. Now I realize, oh, he doesn't want me to be like him because he has faced that problem. And I think for us also, if we have a kid, regardless when, or even if we, let's say, not decide to marry anyone, adopt a kid, one thing which I will try to do is not make him like me with the bad things I have.
I know. So that's the thing with fathers, and I think fathers, especially with their daughters, I don't know, with their daughters, they're much more protective than their sons.
Correct.
Because with son, their only concern is this person should not be like me or should not face the troubles I have faced. But with daughters, they are like, I need to protect her.
Yeah, 100%.
You know, this is precious.
Dude,
thing.
I will tell you one thing. This is that weird.
Oh, you complete this, then I'll come to you. Reminded me something.
Cool. So basically, I was like, I'll tell you story of my thing. You know, I have a niece now. Okay. With the boys of my house, like my cousins, they are young, and this is the first time a niece has happened. So I have grown up like, oh boy. तो मैं उनके साथ फुटबॉल खेल रहा हूँ, WWF खेल रहा हूँ, वही चल रहा है हमारी जिंदगी में. But at a moment, now with this girl born, there is that overprotectiveness to come. Oh, is she hurt? Will she get hurt if she happens? And this is not even, I understand, obviously she's her blood, but not even actually my daughter. But I know, oh fuck, if I'm doing this to my niece, I don't know if I have a daughter, how protective I will be. And it's very weird we have. And with boys also to be, so that's what I think, every man wants that boy to be a tough man.
Yeah, exactly. Because,
yeah, it's so weird.
Because men see the world in a different way.
It is, and that's the thing now. That's what I was talking about in Pushpa thing also. The way he does and cries, the way he cries, if I have a kid, he will not have a surname.
Yeah.
The fear of will he be also considered a bastard like me?
Like I haven't seen, but the way you described the scene, I could feel the emotion.
Yeah. Obviously, they fucked it up, but that's a different story. But that emotion is very true. And I think whenever these things happen, whenever I saw these raw emotions in movies, right, I love it a lot. Like the real life emotion, men won't talk. Like me and my father, any father, I believe every man, they have this weird thinking they cannot express.
We are so bad at emoting. Honestly, dude.
Very bad at emoting.
Like now that you're telling me this story, मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है जो कोनी को हो क्या गया? He is getting emotional.
Because it's not emotional these days. I'm like, because पूरा हफ्ता अच्छा गया, मेरे को कुछ तो बुरा हो मेरी जिंदगी.
अरे मेरे साथ भी वही होता है, like anytime, like if something is going good at work, I'm like, how the fuck is everything going right? Like something should fuck up. No, something should fuck up. Exactly. And then I end up fucking it up.
So that's what.
Because that acts like a catharsis.
So for us, this is our fucking up our own emotions. This is our problem. We cannot be happy. Men cannot be happy. They're like, how are we happy? Why are we happy? Yeah. There has to be some fuck up.
Exactly.
And then if it is not, we start screwing up ourselves. Like I'm meeting people and people are like, oh, you all lose so much of weight suddenly. Yesterday Gautam was saying, bro, you're looking younger, you have lost so much weight. Arun said you have lost so much weight. and you can see I have lost around 5 kgs of weight in last 2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
And people are like, and then I'm still like, okay, everything is going good.
Oh, by the
There has to be something bad.
talking about weights.
Weights?
Yeah, bro.
How's your
Yeah, my gym. पहला 2-3 दिन तो I did 0 weight training. All of
Ah,
it.
good.
Now I can go up to 20.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I'm proud of myself. Like,
Good, dude. That's very good.
and during the break, I'll join boxing classes too. So yeah, give me some tips.
You want to train in boxing?
Ah.
With me and Devanshu on Sundays.
I can do that. So I'll start off with some HRX classes because that comes with my
Yeah.
class. So I'll start with that, and then I'll join.
Yeah, you can join with us because me and Devanshu are planning ki every Sunday or Saturday, 6 o'clock, we'll go to a park near Udupi or near that BMC park near this Udupi garden itself, and we will train for a while.
Oh, nice.
And then I think
Like
we can-
sparring.
proper, not sparring also.
Acha.
Sparring, if we do, police will catch us.
Eh? Oh,
You're beating the shit out of someone else, dude. Come on. We can train and we can just try out few things.
that's nice.
So that's going on. I'm going to planning that. So let's see if you can join. I'll train you as well on that. So this is that thing, no? Ki coming back to the emotional question. Ki bhai, it's so weird for men.
Actually, this conversation is also weird. No, no, I
don't know.
agree.
This is also weird. ये अभी थोड़ी देर में हम लोग बकचोदी करने लगेंगे. We want to avoid the topic,
Yes,
but it's
I
very
have
weird.
already thought of the topic to avoid this topic. Anyway, so
Yeah, that's.
sorry. It's my thing. I run away from emotions.
No, I too. Have you seen me?
Yeah, that's what. Can't do like emotion becomes a tough thing to handle because
No, it
once
is.
you acknowledge that, it fucks you up.
Do you think that's why we don't like rom-coms and this romantic movies?
Obviously. I mean, I know for a fact.
So I hate watching Kal Ho Na Ho.
Yeah, I don't like that. Like it.
It's too much of crying. I'm like, bro.
You know, when I watch it, I go for that. इसे कान में डालो, कान में डालो. कहाँ डालो? Naughty. So, you know, I go to those parts. But that's the thing. I was talking to a therapist too. And I told her, कि यार, you know, I don't want to be in a relationship anymore. I don't want to feel for anyone.
Because तो already बहुत slow बोलता है तो
हाँ, यार पता नहीं यार why I talk so mellow.
that's good, dude. Like it's not like hey, we are Sparta. Bro, I have done this a lot. I don't know why we did this stupid. Men are so stupid.
Oh,
Dude.
yeah.
We had this SUPW, SUPW wala class.
Yeah.
Social productive work,
Social upliftment and productive work ऐसा कुछ था.
work assignments, something like that. Bro, हम लोग को हमारी टीचर हमसे इतनी अनॉयड थी कि हम लोग को वो बोलती थी अरे प्लांट लगाओ, हम लोग फुटबॉल
Bro, एक बार हम लोग को बोला ठीक है. So there was this aluminium foil पे आर्ट बनाते हैं ऐसा ठोक के ऐसा you can make something. वो दिया हम लोग को. The girls are doing, you know, tap.
Done.
डेस्क में क्रैक आ गया था हम लोग इतना
Bro, हम लोग ने ये किया, हमको भी वही दिया था. वो they told us, oh let's make a railway track for some reason. और बॉयज सारे भी
रियलिस्टिक और
नो सम फेक वहाँ पे. अरे हम लोग गुड़शर के बगल में रहते थे बैठ, उधर से ही उठा के लेके आके चलो we'll place it in a way so it looks like a railway track and we will. So हमारा एक तो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के पास जगह बहुत है, तो हमको लेके आते थे, हमको बोलते थे अच्छा एक रेलवे ट्रैक टाइप बनाते हैं सो किड्स कैन प्ले अराउंड इट लाइक अ फेक ट्रेन वाला चुक टाइप. तो हमने लाया, हम लोग बोला चल हम लोग we will rock you dun. लौंडे
I would have done वो वाला. It's a hard knock life for us.
dun.
Bro, this song I didn't know before. Okay, this song is apparently a slave song.
Yeah.
Slave used to sing this.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I know.
So,
But ये अब तब तक हमको पता भी नहीं था ना, हमको कोई नहीं पता थी. So like
so I this song so एक बार क्या हुआ Singapore में. So I was in this design school, and one day we all went out to this class and we were on this pier, and we were sitting there, all of us. So there was this African American guy who studied with us. So he was also sitting, and we were drinking and all. We were making fun and. Suddenly, I started to sing. It's a hard knock life for us, just for singing it. So, two of the people, students, started looking at me. Okay, and I'm like, "What happened? Sing this song. You know this song, right?" But they, yeah, but I don't think you should sing it. I'm like, "Why? It's a fun song." I started singing.
Especially when he is here.
Till then, I had no clue. Okay, then his name was Ramon. Bro, do you know what this song is for? I'm like, no. Oh fuck! I was like, oh shit! I'm so sorry. He started laughing. It's okay, bro. He didn't know. So
That's very funny.
yeah.
Bro, I was like, so we used to do that. हमको फिर टीचर ने बोला माँ चुदा तुमको बाहर नहीं लेके जा रही मैं. Sit in class. Randomly. Do 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 do. Dokoma. Just you. Teacher like, what the fuck are you guys? You're crazy or what? Bro, we used to annoy the shit out of teachers.
Oh yeah, boys are assholes, bro. Oh,
Sometimes women are also.
women are, but notorious नहीं है. Women are not notorious like this.
Notorious नहीं होती, but they are annoying as fuck. Bro,
See,
we had some few this first bencher girls.
Oh,
Why wo?
see, that is not a problem of gender. That is a problem of first bench. First bench makes you an
Usually it's women. I don't know why.
Oh, men also. I have seen that all the toppers, first benches in our school, worst people in the entire universe.
Bro, I was the first bencher in college. Bro.
I was never the first bencher.
No, I was the first bencher और मैं सोता था. मैं सामने के इसमें वैसा ऐसे बैठा हुआ हूँ.
See, you are an anomaly.
I am a very bad person in this world.
You are an anomaly.
You know
But-
why we used to sit? So we were 4 people. Me, Vipul, Rahul, and Chetan, and we used to sit in first bench just to annoy teachers. We were the worst students in this world.
I used to sit like either the last bench or the eighth bench आगे, and I used to make cartoon sketches of teachers doing something or the other. Okay, like, and I used to make those comic strips and pass it around, and all of the fuckers will laugh. I felt so good.
So हम लोग
But the problem was, the others will laugh and stop. Me, you know this by now. I can't control my laughter, bro. It's so tough to shoot our normal episodes also, not in potatoes.
एक बार हुआ था. There's this guy Chetan and all, and Vipul is a very good friend, and he used to doodle. He used to doodle and all. So he's doodling something, and Chetan is looking like this, and he's doodling here. ठीक है? There is this teacher. She's like, "Why are you looking in between Vipul's legs?" She didn't realize. I burst out laughing, and I'm like, "Bro, this is so funny."
Bro, no one should say that.
I'm like, "Why are you looking in between his legs?" I'm like, "How are you a teacher? Think." Me and Rahul, I was this very weird kid. No, I was smart, but I was very lazy.
I was a quiet kid who does this mischievous thing by sketching.
Yeah, I know. So I was this kid, na. I was allowed, and people was saying, "ये तो fail है. ये तो आता 9:30 की क्लास में ये 11 बजा रहा है." और आता भी ऐसे जैसे कि and Rahul, but me and Rahul were there. We used to be so annoyed in exams. We used to write, we used to look at each other, done. हाँ चलो उठ जाओ, पास हो गए हम लोग.
अरे
Yeah, I saw that. That's the timer was.
Oh, by the way, just before I watched another horror series from our yesteryears.
Very good.
कोई है bro. I watched that. Dude, comparing Fear Files and कोई है. Fear Files 1,000 times better.
Yeah, that तो है 100%.
कोई है is hilariously bad. I saw a few episodes and I'm like, oh my god, क्या सोच के बनाया तुम लोगों ने? Oh, shit.
Bro, isn't that later became into the superhero
Yeah.
ghost hunter, bro? Vikral,
Yes.
Gabral.
So, by the way,
Oh, fuck up of that. They made this Shkui hai, then they do Vikral Adventures of Shkui hai. माधवचोद फिर विकराल गबराल बनाया जिसमें शकोई है का ही दिखा रहे हैं. सिर्फ एक सीन एंड में डाला है विकराल गबराल.
Yes.
मैं क्या
Without them also the story made no difference.
सिर्फ एंड में चेंज है कि
हाँ।
विकराल आके भूत कैप्चर करके जाता
हाँ।
है। वाह ब्रो, ये बोलते हैं कैश ग्रैब। मान जाता है। बट आई सॉ फ्लॉप शो
Oh, that is so my go-to watch, dude.
ब्रो।
The
last-
last writing में जसपाल भट्टी पाप है पाप.
Dude, you know why Flop Show didn't get second season?
Because he died ना.
No, there was second season before it also, bro.
Full tension कब आया था?
वो बाद में आया था।
हाँ.
He was there till Fana ना।
अच्छा हाँ हाँ हाँ.
But the problem was that
हाँ.
the last episode of
हाँ.
the Flop Show
हाँ.
is a satire on Doordarshan.
Oh yeah.
Because they were like, we will make this very. Jaspal Bhatti tries to become a producer,
I remember.
and finally like मैं tragedy बनाता हूँ, but वो comedy award मिलता है उनको.
हाँ.
And that was the actual story apparently for Chandrakanta.
Oh shit.
They wanted to make a tragic thing. Everyone like, hey, this is very funny, bro.
Oh.
Bro, hilarious. Which
But-
did you? Oh fuck! Did you actor calling actor interviews?
Uh-huh.
Did you see Mukesh Khanna talking to Shaktiman?
Why did you have to divine? I thought we'll end it here. Why did you?
Recommendation of the day. This is
Yes, your recommendation. Oh,
Mukesh Khanna talking to Shaktiman.
bro, it was so cringy, man.
Bro, beautiful. It was not cringy. It was beautiful.
But yeah, since you started with the recommendation, what are your other recommendation? Actual recommendation?
Actual recommendation, bro. I think if someone has not seen Flop Show yet in their life, please
And Full
watch it.
Tension too.
And Full Tension too, and Dekh Bhai Dekh.
Ah.
Please watch that.
Yeah.
And what else? It will be 51st Dates. बहुत लोगों ने देख लिया है. I will not say to
I
watch
think Happy
anything.
Ending is another.
I have not seen it, so
I would recommend.
so your recommendation is Happy Ending.
And also, yeah, please watch War of Lauren because you are a Lord of the Rings
Yeah,
fan,
yeah.
So I think you should.
I
watch
would
it.
love to watch that.
And also, if you haven't read other books of Tolkien, go other than Lord of the Rings.